Hello friends. Welcome to this story. Today, we will listen to a wonderful story about a boy named Max. Max goes on an exciting journey to discover something very special. It is a fun way to learn English with easy and simple sentences. Sit back, listen carefully, and enjoy this interesting story. Max and the Treasure of Words. Max was a curious boy. He loved to explore. Max lived in a small village. The village was surrounded by green hills and tall trees. The air in the village was fresh. Birds sang sweet songs every morning, and Max loved listening to them. Max liked to walk in the fields. He loved the smell of flowers and grass. He also liked to go into the forest. The forest was quiet and full of big trees. Max enjoyed watching the birds and animals in the forest. One day, while walking in the forest, Max found something unusual. Under a big tree, he saw a small wooden box. The box was old and dusty. It had a golden lock, but there was no key. On the top of the box, there was a note. The note said that this was a treasure box. It also said that Max must find the key to open the treasure of words. Max became very curious. What was inside the box? He wanted to know. He picked up the box and decided to find the key. The search begins. Max ran back home with the box. He showed it to his grandmother. She was a kind and wise woman. She smiled when she saw the box. She told Max that the treasure inside the box was very special. Max asked his grandmother where he could find the key. She told him that the key was not a real key. She said that the key was hidden in books. Max looked confused. How could a key be in books? His grandmother explained that books are full of treasures. She told Max to start reading books. She said that learning new words would help him find the key. Max was not very good at reading. He found English words difficult. But he wanted to find the treasure, so he decided to try. Max's first book. Max went to his room and looked for a book. He found a small book about animals. It had pictures and simple words. Max opened the book and started reading. The first page had a picture of a lion. Below the picture, it said that the lion is the king of the jungle. Max read the word lion out loud. It was hard to say at first, but he tried again and again. The next page had a picture of a tiger. It said that the tiger is a big cat with stripes. Max read the word tiger slowly. He repeated it many times. Page by page, Max learned the names of animals. He wrote the new words in a notebook. He felt happy because he was learning. Max told himself that learning new words was fun. Learning more words. The next day, Max went to the village library. The library was a quiet place. It had many books. Max asked the librarian to help him. The librarian gave Max a book with short stories. The stories had pictures and easy sentences. Max started reading the first story. It was about a brave boy who helped his friends. Max learned words like brave, friends, and help. Max read a little every day. He wrote the new words in his notebook. He practiced saying the words out loud. He was learning step by step. The map of words. One evening, Max told his grandmother about the words he had learned. She told him to make a map of the words. She said it would help him remember what he had learned. Max took a big piece of paper and drew a map on it. He wrote the words he had learned on the map. Next to each word, he drew a picture. He drew a lion for the word lion and a tiger for the word tiger. He added words like brave and friends to the map. Every day, Max learned more words and added them to his map. A special word. One day, Max read a story about a kind mun. The mun helped many people in his village. The story said that kindness is a great gift. Max learned the word kindness. He liked it very much. That night, Max had a dream. In the dream, he saw the treasure box. The word kindness was written on the lock. Max woke up and thought about the dream. He said to himself that learning words might be the key to the treasure. The final step. Max kept reading and learning. One day, he found a big book about heroes. He read about a man who saved his village. The story said that the man was brave and full of courage. Max learned the word courage. He liked the word because it made him feel strong. He added it to his map. When he wrote the word courage, something amazing happened. The treasure box made a small clicking sound. The golden lock opened slowly. The treasure of words. Max opened the box and found a small golden book inside. On the cover, it said that this was the treasure of words. Max opened the golden book. It was full of beautiful words. Each word had a picture and a meaning. Words like hope, love, and dream were written in the book. Max realized that the real treasure was not the box. The real treasure was the words he had learned. Max's new journey. Max kept reading every day. He showed his map to his friends. He told them about the treasure of words. His friends also started reading books. They made their own maps of words. Together, they learned many new words. They also shared their maps with others in the village. Max's journey of learning did not end. He continued to read books and discover new treasures. Friends, did you enjoy this story? Max learned that words are like treasures. You can also find your treasure by reading and learning every day. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning and see you in the next story.